Okay, today during math, we're going to count using patterns to 100. First, we're going to watch a video.
You can use a chart to find missing numbers. What do you see? Part of a 100 chart is there. What is this called?
All right, so let's look at the blue section that's highlighted. What is this called? Is it called a column or a row? Remember what we know about columns and rows.
It is a row. What is this called? It is a column. A column goes up and down. A row goes across. How can you use the numbers 61 and 63 to find out what number is missing?
All right, so here we have part of a 100 chart. It starts at 61 and it ends at 100, but there are a couple numbers that are missing. How can we find out what numbers are missing? Let's try it.
Complete the chart by placing each number in the correct position.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 empty spaces. So let's start at the first space that's empty. In order to find what number goes here, we can always look at the number that comes before and the number that comes after. So the number that comes before is 61. The number that comes after is 63. What do these two numbers have in common? They both have 6 in the tens place. So let's see if we can find a number that has 6 in the tens place. Here's one. And then we can check by counting. 61, 62, 63. That sounds right. Let's look at this space. Before it comes 76. After comes 78. They both have 7 in the tens place. This number has 7 in the tens place. Let's check. 76, 77, 78. Great job. Let's look at this space. Before it comes 84 and after it comes 86. They both have 8 in the tens place. So does this number. Let's check. 84, 85, 86. That sounds right. Let's check this space. Before it comes 92 and after it comes 94. They both have 9 in the tens place. But both these numbers have 9 in the tens place also. So let's look at the ones. This has 2 ones and this has 4 ones. Would 3 come after 2 or would 8 come after 2? That's right, 3 comes after 2. 92, 93, 94. And then our last one, 97 comes before, 99 comes after. We have 9 in the tens place, but we have 7 ones. So 8 ones comes after 7 ones. 97, 98, 99. Great job.
You can figure out the number in between. What number belongs between 61 and 63? 62 belongs between 61 and 63. What number comes just after 70? 71 comes just after 70.
All right, so last week we were talking about if we want to figure out what number comes after the number that's at the end of a row, where do we go? There's nothing right next to it. So what we do is we always go down to the next row to the beginning. Just like if we were reading. When we're reading a line, when we get to the end, we go down to the beginning of the next line. So 71 comes after 70. What number comes after 80? We go down to the next line, beginning of the row. 81 comes after 80.
What number comes just before the missing number? 84 comes just before the missing number. What number comes just after the missing number? 86 comes just after the missing number. 85 is missing. You used a 100 chart to find the missing number.
All right, great job. So today, when you're doing your interactive workbook page, you'll be working on page 659. Please make sure that you read the directions at the bottom of the page. If you have any questions or comments or need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to your teacher.